What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another awesome video. It's your boy Crypto Alpha, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing this site to you guys, and you can make use of it to make passive income, withdraw money straight into your wallet, and also share a referral link out and aim passive income extra. So if you are new to the channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and make sure to stay tuned to the end of this video. And please, if you are out there and you want to get futures trading signals, I drop futures trading signals on my WhatsApp group and also on the Telegram group, so make sure to join any of them and get the futures trading signals. But if you want to learn how to trade, that won't be totally free, guys, so you can just hit me up and let's talk about it. So now I want to tell you guys something about this platform. So this platform is basically one of the simplest platforms that I've seen. Very simple to understand, and all you have to do on this platform is just too simple. So the first thing you have to do is to sign up, which I will be dropping the link in the description box. You click right here and it will take you to the sign up option. You can see the registration option right here, and all you basically need to enter is your username that you want to use for this platform. Enter your email, your password, confirm the password, and then make sure this thing is ticked in, and then you have to click on this register option that is showing down right here. So once you click on this register option right now, it's going to register an account for you. So now I'll be logging into my own personal account that I've already created, and you guys can see my account and how I've been using it. So I recently just sign up on this platform, and I decided to make a video about it because it's a new platform. So once you sign up on this platform, it's going to tell you to join the Telegram group, so that you can see they say join our official Telegram group for regular update and support. All right, now in case you have any problem, you don't need to panic. You can just join the group and ask questions, and you can also get help from there, and they can help you out. So what you'll be seeing down here always is, if anybody should earn or withdraw any amount of money from this platform, is going to be popping up on the screen, and you'll be seeing it directly right there. So totally everything I've earned so far here is about 282 naira, and I know this is not much, but this is just my one time trying this platform, and this is what I've earned. So you can literally do this every single day, and you will see how much you'll be earning from this platform, guys. So you can just try this platform out because it's totally free, and if you want to invest in this platform, I'm going to be putting you guys through how to invest as well. But keep it in mind that I am not a financial advisor, and I'm only sharing my experience with you guys through this platform, guys. And there's another thing that I want to point out here. In case anybody have any problem with what I've reviewed out so far, please don't go to the group and start spamming it or saying anything that will make people go crazy or panic, but just come straight to the admin. Like, just come straight to my DM and ask me for direction, and I'll put you through. So there was a mistake that was made today, but to cut the long story short, the person got his money on the coin that he wanted to purchase, was able to coin back, so everything went well, but he actually made the group a little bit bad today. So I just want to address that in this video. So now, getting back to this particular website, I want to put you guys through on how to earn on this website. So once you're signed up on this website, the first thing you need to do is to scroll down right here. You can see right here, you can see available spin. So as you guys can see, the name of this website is known as Spin to Money. You can actually spin and earn here. So what you have to do is to click on this spin option that is showing right here. So you see this spin here, you just click on it, and it will open up to another new page for you. So basically, I don't have any spin again because I've just tried it out, and I've already tested my spin out for today. So being a new person on this platform and you have not deposited or sign up into any of the plans, you'll be getting one spin per day. But if you are interested in signing up for a plan, you can go for the $20 plan. That's the first plan, which is known as bronze. I'll be coming to that. So all you have to do to start earning on this platform is just to click on this spin option. All right, so once you click on this spin option, as you guys can see, I don't have enough spin available for today again. So if you click on this spin option, it's going to give you a spin option, which you're going to be getting this in between this number from 0 to $12 to about $0 to $68. So this is the amount you might land in, and I was able to land on $0 to $68. So that is why you're seeing it reflecting on my wallet right here as well. So now we'll be going back to the home menu, and then I want to put you guys through something you need to know about this platform. So once you click on the dashboard and you're on the dashboard, you guys can see my plans right here. So you can see account ranking, I'm on the starter, and you can also see the bonus. I don't have any bonus right here because this is basically a free or let me just say just a new account that I just opened. Now if you scroll down a little bit again, you can see account details right here. In case you want to modify anything on your account, you can just click on this account details and you can modify. So this is the payment method you can use on this platform. So you can literally make your payment through here by selecting the payment method you want to use. If you want to use BTC, you can just use your BTC, and if you want to use any other way to get your payment method done, you can actually use it. So now for instance, if you're done with that, you can just click on change. Okay, let me just change this to let me say OP. No, let me say number. All right, now if I should put number and I click on change, now it's going to see successfully modified. All right, now I have to go back to the home menu, and in case I want to deposit, I'm going to be using my number to deposit or make any changes on this platform with my number, because I selected my number to be my payment method on this platform. Now the next thing you need to know about this platform is that you can actually enter your referral link as well. So we'll click on right on this place, and then once you open up, you can see the referral down here. So once you click on this referral, you'll be getting your unique link right here, and you can share it to any of these social media that you have on your phone, and you can refer your friends through there. And once they sign up and start making use of this platform, you gain 10% from each of their referral daily earning. All right, now that is one thing you should know. So there are basically two ways for you to earn on this platform. One is for you to use the free, and the other one is for you to use the referral. And for you to earn faster, you can deposit into this platform as well. So now we'll quickly click on this option that is showing up right here again, this three dotted line. So once you click on this three dotted line, you can see the upgrade account right here. So before you upgrade, you need to deposit. All right, now for you to deposit, it's pretty simple. You click on this deposit option. Now once you click on this deposit option, all right, you input how much you want to use. So first of all, before you deposit, you have to check in each of these account ranking that you want to use. So if you want to use this first one, this one is going to cost you about $20, which you can see right here. It will cost you about $20, and that is about 8,316 naira. So you can literally make use of this and try this out as first. So for you to deposit now, I think you'll be depositing like $20 or $21. So let me just say we'll use $21 in case of charges fee. So now you click on the deposit option. Now it's going to open up to this page for you, and you guys can see you're about to deposit $21. We support Bitcoin recharge, and recharge amount is going to be this. So you can see the amount you'll be sending in Bitcoin to this wallet address that is down here. So for you to deposit, it's pretty simple. You have to copy this wallet address, then send in this value of Bitcoin into the wallet address. So you just have to type this in if you have Bitcoin, and then buy the plan that you want to use. All right, now once you're done with that, you can go back and start making use of it. So down here they say you do not have enough Bitcoin wallet, you do not have a Bitcoin wallet. You can also choose a top up. You can also choose a top up with a code. So you can literally use a top up with a code, where you can get top up with the code. So you can see down here they say you can pay with a payment code. All right, so let me click on this get a payment code. Let me see what they're going to do. So this is access denied. I think this option is not actually available for now. So now let's go back a little bit, and I want to put you guys through other things you need to know. So this is not actually the only plan we have. The bronze, this is not actually the only plans. You can see this one is going to cost you about $50, and this is going to cost you about $50. This is going to cost you about $120, and if you go down more, you can see other plans down here down to king, which is going to cost you about $5,000, and this is going to be you're going to be earning 150 to about 600 daily. So you'll be getting 30 spin for this $5,000, and you'll be getting 150 per day on this platform. All right, now that is one lucky good thing you should know about this platform. And on this bronze, once you deposit $20, you'll be getting $1.36 to $4, depending on depending on the amount your spin lands on. All right, now number of spin per day is going to be 2 on the bronze, and there is no number of spin limit, so you can make use of your spin to earn passive income once you buy any of these plans. So depending on the plan you are buying, the number of spin is going to actually increase depending on the plan that you're going to be buying on this platform. Now let's click on this 3 splash line again. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to this other side where you see you can edit your profile. You can edit your profile here. You can see your payment. You can see this is the withdrawal option, spin dashboard. You can join your Telegram group right here, and you can see upgrade account. All right, now let's go to the withdrawal option, guys. So once you click on this withdrawal option, you guys can see you now have your balance. Your account balance is below the minimum withdrawal requirement. So the minimum withdrawal requirement of this platform basically is just $5, and once you hit $5, you can withdraw straight into your account. Pretty simple and easy to understand, guys. You can make use of this platform to earn passively, and you can also share a referral link and earn extra income just by sharing a referral link out with your friends. And once they sign up and start making use of this platform, you earn as well. So guys, this platform is pretty awesome and it's really good. So very soon I'm going to be sharing with you guys a withdrawal proof from this platform, and if you are super interested, you can join in, but keep it in mind that I'm not a financial advisor. In case you find your way through or you want to deposit to this platform, do it based on your own decision, please. I don't want anybody to come to my DM and start complaining that I was the one that reviewed the site to the person or recommend this site to them. Please, I'm only sharing my experience with this site to you guys, and please make sure to leave a like down below on this video, and also share this video out with your friends or family. Share it to your status, your WhatsApp, anywhere you can share it out to, and help me push my channel out, guys. I love you all so much. Peace out, guys.